United States Army, the oldest and largest branch of America's military. Today, let's explore the history, power, and mission of the U.S. Army and discover why it remains one of the strongest forces in the world. The United States Army was founded on June 14, 1775, even before the Declaration of Independence was signed. Its very first mission was to defend the colonies in the Revolutionary War. Over the centuries, the Army has grown into a massive, modern military force that protects the United States and supports peace across the world. Today, the Army includes active duty, the Army Reserve, and the National Guard, with a combined strength of over 1 million soldiers. These soldiers operate in more than 150 different career fields, from infantry and aviation to intelligence, cybersecurity, engineering, medicine, and logistics. Every role plays a part in keeping the nation safe. One of the most important strengths of the U.S. Army is its advanced technology. The Army uses powerful vehicles like the M1 Abrams battle tank, the Bradley fighting vehicle, and the Stryker armored vehicle. In the air, the Army relies on aircraft such as the UH-60 Black Hawk, CH-47 Chinook, and the deadly AH-64 Apache attack helicopter. But modern warfare is not only about land and air. The Army also leads in cyber operations, protecting America from digital attacks that could harm power grids, communication networks, or government systems. Army cyber units work constantly to detect threats, block hackers, and keep the country secure in the digital age. The U.S. Army also plays a major role in humanitarian missions. When natural disasters strike, hurricanes, floods, earthquakes, or wildfires, the Army steps in to rescue people, deliver supplies, and provide medical support. They don't only defend the nation, they help rebuild it when needed. In global missions, the U.S. Army works with allies around the world to maintain peace and stability. From Europe to the Middle East, from Asia to Africa, American soldiers help train partner armies, support peacekeeping missions, and deter threats before they reach American shores. The Army's power isn't only in its weapons or technology, it's in its values. Soldiers live by 7 core values: loyalty, duty, respect, selfless service, honor, integrity, and personal courage. These values guide every decision, every mission, and every sacrifice. Training in the U.S. Army is intense and transforms ordinary citizens into highly skilled soldiers. Basic combat training teaches discipline, teamwork, survival skills, combat readiness, and mental strength. For more than 249 years, the United States Army has been a symbol of courage, service, and freedom. From historic battles to modern missions, the Army continues to protect the nation and inspire millions around the world. If you learned something new about the U.S. Army, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible military facts and history.